Keshav Maharaj got 1135 runs and 158 wickets in Test cricket. Mehdi Hassan Miraj from Bangladesh has 1470 runs and 164 wickets in Test cricket. Jason Holder from West Indies has 2797 runs and 157 wickets. Moeen Ali from England got 3094 runs and 204 wickets in Test cricket. Dilruwan Perera from Sri Lanka got 1303 runs and 161 wickets. The English captain Ben Stokes got 6316 runs and 198 wickets. Chris Woakes from England got 1754 runs with 149 wickets. Ravindra Jadeja from India got 3034 runs with 294 wickets. Mitchell Starc from Australia got 2093 runs with 358 wickets. Australian captain Pat Cummins got 1295 runs with 269 wickets. Vernon Philander from South Africa got 1779 runs with 224 wickets. Ravi Ashwin from India got 3309 runs with 516 wickets. Nathan Lyon from Australia got 530 wickets with 1521 runs. Kemar Roach from West Indies got 1174 runs with 270 wickets. Graham Swan from England got 1370 runs with 255 wickets. Peter Siddle from Australia got 1164 runs with 221 wickets. Tim Southee from New Zealand got 2098 runs with 380 wickets. From England, Stuart Broad got 3662 runs with 604 wickets. Mitchell Johnson from Australia got 2065 runs with 313 wickets. Shakib Al Hasan from Bangladesh got 4505 runs with 237 wickets. Dale Steyn from South Africa got 1251 runs with 439 wickets. Irfan Pathan with 100 wickets and 1105 runs. James Anderson from England got 700 wickets and 1353 runs so far. Zahir Khan from India got 311 wickets with 1231 runs. Mohammad Rafiq got 1059 runs with 100 wickets. Nicky Boje with 100 wickets and 1312 runs. Brett Lee got 310 wickets with 1451 runs. Abdur Razzaq from Pakistan got 100 wickets with 1946 runs. Rangana Herat from Sri Lanka got 433 wickets with 1699 runs. Andrew Flintoff from England got 226 wickets with 3845 runs. A.F. Giles from England got 141 wickets with 1421 runs. Harbhajan Singh from India got 417 wickets with 2224 runs. Daniel Vittori from New Zealand got 4,521 runs with 362 wickets. Jason Gillespie from Australia got 1218 runs with 259 wickets. Jack Scales from South Africa got 13,289 runs with 292 wickets. Sean Pollock got 3,781 runs with 421 wickets. Chaminda Was from Sri Lanka got 3,089 runs with 355 wickets. From Sri Lanka, Muthaiya Muralidharan got 1,261 runs with 800 wickets. Shane Warne got 3,154 runs with 708 wickets.